Hi, all great to have you for another video. So in this video is just going to be my June 2022 income report. Now it was slightly lower than the previous month, but my main focus at the minute is just making sure my books rank well for Q4. So check out this video. Now, just before we get started, Creative Fabrica are currently running an all-access subscription forever for only $9, which means that price is locked in forever. So Creative Fabrica does have so many benefits, including fonts, graphics, crafts, KDP interiors, bundles, and so much more. So make the most out of the deal. Even if you already subscribe to Creative Fabrica, you can cancel your current subscription and lock in a much lower price. So if it does interest you, I do have an affiliate link in the description. So my total income for the month of June 2022 was $820.99. And this month was pretty consistent with my last month, although my ad spend was a lot higher, which I'll go into afterwards. But you can see towards the start and the middle of the month, my income did fluctuate, and then towards the end, it began to kind of just level off and earn between $30 to $40 per day. But my highest day was the 8th of June, and on that day I earned $44.63, and my lowest day was actually Monday the 20th, where I only earned $12.39, and also selling a total of 449 paperbacks. Now, just quickly taking a look at my marketplace stats, so you can see that the UK dominated most of my sales with 80%, and I am specifically targeting this market right now. Then the second marketplace with the most sales is Amazon.com with roughly 17%, then Amazon Canada, and then it's the first time I've got Amazon Poland on there, which is nice to see. Then Spain, Italy, and Australia with really small percentages. Now, my top 5 books for the month include, so the first is a logbook, and that grossed $264.85. Then we have an activity book, which grossed me $105.62. However, I did spend a lot on this book just trying to get it to rank because it is in quite a highly competitive niche. The next book is a coloring book, and that earned me $52.21. Then the fourth you're looking at is another activity book, and that earned me $48.40. And then the final book is another activity book actually, and that earned me $38.77. So those were my top 5 books for the month of June. Now, just taking a look at my ads, we'll first have a look at Amazon.com. So you can see that I spent $24.89 with sales of $132.82, and this gave me an ACOS of 18.74%, which I was happy with, and 12 orders in total. And as I was saying before, Amazon.com isn't my primary focus at this moment in time, but the closer it gets to Q4, then I will start ramping things up. Now, taking a look at Amazon.co.uk, now this is probably the most that I've spent since maybe December 2021. And it's just mainly because there is one particular book I am trying to rank and get a lot of attention to. But in total, you can see that I spent £239.74, which gave me sales of £903.63 with an ACOS of 26.53% and a total order of 145. And if we take a look at this top book here, it is the book that I'm trying to rank highly at the moment. So you can see I've spent £77.27. The cost per click is roughly 31 pence. 37 orders with sales of £272.61 and an ACOS of 28.34%. And I'm just focused on that ranking well, trying to get onto the first page and get some reviews on it. And then in Q4, I know it's just going to absolutely fly. So the final marketplace I ran ads is in Canada, which was really unsuccessful, to be honest. I spent $5.61 and I did not get any sales, but I like to show you lot the full report, both the good and bad, and it was definitely not good in Canada, even though I did only spend a small amount. But sometimes it just doesn't work out. So to sum up the total income for the month, as I said before, I earned $820.99. And then here's all my ads, plus 20% VAT, plus my subscriptions, which include Creative Fabrica, Canva, and KDP Champ. Didn't really spend anything on Fiverr. So there you can see my total expenses, and this gave me a total income of $386.89. So again, thanks for watching another income report video. I have got a playlist of them if you are interested in previous videos, so you can check those out now.